President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the distribution of 1,200 land titles to agrarian reform beneficiaries, or ARBs, in the Soc-Sargen region. Aside from this, 13,500 certificates of condonation with release of mortgage were distributed to farmers from Sarangani, Cotabato, South Cotabato, and Sultan Kudarat. The chief executive aims to release the beneficiaries from the shackles of debt. In the meantime, some 7,558 ARBs from Region 11 received land titles and certificates of condonation with the release of mortgage, with a total amount of debt condoned reaching 500 million pesos. The president himself led the distribution and expressed his desire to provide lands to farmer beneficiaries, especially to those who need it most.
Mapapawalang bisa ang halos 1 bilyong pisong utang, kasama ang amortisasyon, ang interes, mga surcharge ng ating mga magsasaka. Ang inyong naipon na ipambabayad sana sa mga ito, maaari ninyo nang gamitin sa ibang pangangailangan. Maaari na pong gamitin ito sa mga bagong kagamitan upang mas dumami pa ang ani at mas mapataas pa ang kalidad ng inyong kabuhayan.